All right, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about geometric sequences. So we've been covering arithmetic sequences, where to get from one term to the next, you add the same thing every time. With geometric sequences, we're instead going to multiply by the same thing every time. So what we multiply by is called the common ratio, just as what we add by with arithmetic sequences is called the common difference. So in this example here, we multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So our common ratio is 3. Here we multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So our common ratio is 2. Here we multiply by a half, multiply by a half, multiply by a half. So our common ratio is 1/2. Over here, we go 4, 4, -12, -12 to 36. So we multiply by -3, multiply by -3, multiply by -3. Notice how we oscillate between positive and negative because each time we're multiplying by a negative. And we're still going to use our notation U1, 2, 3, where UN is the nth term in the sequence and the common ratio is labeled as R. So if here's our geometric sequence, then we're going to go 3, 6, 12, 24. Notice how we're multiplying by 2 each time, so R is 2, implying that's going to go 48, 96. All right. And so our common ratio is just any term divided by the previous term, right? What are you multiplying by each time? And we're going to use this formula to find our nth term. All right. So U8, that's going to be equal to U1 times our R, which is 2, to the 8 minus 1. Remember, U1 here is 3. So that's going to be 2 to the 7th and multiplied by 3. It's going to be 384. And then U to the 20th, that's equal to U1, which is 3, times R, which is 2, to the 20 minus first. So we're going to have 2 to the 19th power, so we're going to have a big number here. So we're going to have 3 times 2 to the 19th. We're going to get 1,572,864. So with geometric sequences, they can get out of hand pretty quickly because they use exponentials, right? So we're multiplying by something, so that gets big very quickly. So if we look at I'll do that in a different video. So that is page 6.